let's make a vision board for 2025. Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Happy New Year. Thank you so much for the 1.5 something subscribers. I don't take any of that for granted. Thank you so much for that. It's 2025 and listen, I'm ready for it. Today we are creating a vision board. I already have pictures printed out for it. I already have pictures printed out for it over here, and I got this board from what did I get it from Shein? Yes, I think I got it from Shein. As we say goodbye to 2024 and step into 2025, I can't help but reflect on the magic of the past year. Christmas was a time of joy, love, togetherness. It just reminded me of the beauty of the little moments. It was so hard being away from family, but yeah, made the most of it. And then just after Christmas came my birthday, which is another celebration of life, growth, and gratitude. These moments were just the perfect way to end the year for me, and this is why it inspired me to make a vision board for 2025, to just plan my year better. So you need to start by defining your goals, what you want to achieve. The next step is to gather all the materials, the vision board materials, pictures, and then you go on Pinterest to choose the pictures that will sort of symbolize what you want to see on your vision board. And then you can add affirmations. For this, I had stickers, little stickers that I put on. These are the stickers. They had affirmations and motivation. And then the magic starts happening. This is where you just take all your materials. Each picture meant something for me, like maybe I wanted to learn a new skills. This was for self-care. This is for studying. Yeah, just each picture meant something to me. Maybe eating healthy. You will get the pictures that mean something to you. I won't go into details with this because some of it is obviously personal, but yeah, save money, very important. I think each one of us need to have that picture. And I added colorful pictures and waterproof pictures to just make the vision board last longer and just be more valuable to me as well. I also had this small book to write the 2025 note that I wanted. This is the part where I was writing on the whiteboard. I had on weekly goals, how many times, milestones that I wanted to achieve that week, Bible verses, work deadlines, and also at the end I added some, if I have assignments or if I have work stuff that I need to cover quickly, just by week, by month. This is the part that I will keep on updating, erasing and updating. So this is the part where I was just writing that. Then I started pinning down the pictures. This was my favorite part. Just keep to see the vision board coming to life, just adding the pins and just creating my own layout of how I want the pictures to be, how colorful I want them to be. Okay, and this is the final look. Every picture here has a purpose, like I explained earlier, and on this whiteboard side is where I will write my weekly plans, my weekly goals, milestones, and I will regularly just erase and write something new each week, each month. I also have some Bible study, things that I want to do. It doesn't have to be this exactly. For example, here I just wrote stuff randomly that can motivate you to come up with your own. Like if you want to go to gym 3 times, or you want to jog, that's what you're gonna add. Or you want to eat more healthy, that's what you're gonna write. Or what you achieved that week, you can erase. And you can at the bottom here I put some deadlines, whether it be studying or something that has to do with work. So yeah, that's what I'll use the whiteboard for. I've wanted to bring this to life for so long right now. This vision board does come with some screws and a string so that I can be able to hang it on the wall or elsewhere. So I want to put it somewhere where I can see it every day, so that I actually remember what my goals are and the vision. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Tell me in the comments, what are your goals, or have you done your vision board? Do you believe in vision boards? And what else you would like to see on the channel? Thank you so much for being with me on this journey. We are taking this subscriber number to 2,000. That's the goal. That's the next goal right now. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Picture on my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain.